So the first chord is, I'm kind of holding the chord a little different. Sometimes I'll show a beginner to hold it with your middle finger up here on the 5th string of the 2nd fret. But this time we're going to start it with your index finger on the 5th string of the 2nd fret. And your middle finger is now on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. G rings open. The B rings open. This is for the E minor 9. And I'm fretting the 1st string at the 2nd fret. You can add the 4th finger here to the 3rd fret of the 2nd string. I prefer to do it without. E7, same thing. I'm starting with the index finger, but now I'm using my 4th finger here on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string. That's an E minor 7. And right below that is your 6 for E minor. And I'm fretting the 2nd string at the 2nd fret. So instead of playing your standard E minor, you could do an E minor 6, E minor 7, E minor 9. And there's 2 ways you can do the E minor 9. You can remove your pinky from the 2nd string 3rd fret and just strum it with your 3rd finger down here on the 2nd fret high E string. So that's a cool, thing to use. It kind of opens up some of your beginner chords. The E minor can sound a little flat or dull. And that's a pretty standard guitar progression. It's a 1, 6, 4, 5. And what that means is that, so if you're in the key of G major, you would have 7 chords, and the first one being a G major. Your 2nd chord would be an A minor. The 3rd chord would be a B minor. Your 4 is a C. Your 5th is a D or D7. Your 6 is E minor. The 7 is going to be F sharp diminished, or flat 5. Back to G. So when I say a 1, a 1, 6, 4, 5 chord progression, I'm referring to the 1st chord in the key of G, the 6th chord, which is an E minor, the 4, which is a C, and the 5th, a D. Or you could do a D7 there. So you have a G. So you want to play an E minor 9, E minor 7, E minor 6, to C, to D.